In Python class design, we'll explore how to customize object output using the steamer method. First, let's start by creating a class called book. A class is like a blueprint for creating objects. In our case, each object will represent a book. Here, we've defined a class named book using the class keyword. Inside the class, we have an init method, also known as the initializer or constructor. This method is called when we create an instance of the class. It takes two parameters, title and author, which are assigned to the instance variables, self.title and self.author. We will override the steamer method to define how our book object should be represented as a string. With the str method, we return a formatted string that includes the book's title and author. Finally, let's create an instance of our book class and print it to see how it works. Let's run the code and see the output. As you can see, the output of the code. This string is generated by the steamer method of the book class, which formats the title and author attributes into a readable string format. Thanks for watching.